It's Halloween season, and today I'm going to show you how to make some spooky, witchy treats. These are super simple, the kids can be involved, and they're so fun. Let's start with all of our witchy things. Witch cookies, witch brooms, and witch hat cupcakes.
Witch hat cookies are so fun, and there's a few different ways you can make these. One way is by using Keebler like fudge stripe cookies if you want like a wide brimmed hat, and Hershey's Kisses. So unwrap your Hershey's Kisses. I'm using red frosting just that I bought at the store, but you could use any color. You could use a can. You could use anything that you want. Once you stick that kiss on there with that frosting, then use a little bit of frosting to draw those little hat ribbons. And they're the cutest little witch hat cookies. The kids can totally help you make these. Then witch hat cupcakes, you can even use those witch hats we just made, or you can make them with Oreos. I love using the Oreos because I always have Oreos in my pantry. And what's great is if you're using Oreos, you could use a mini cupcake. If you're using the Keebler cookies, then you would want to use a regular cupcake. And then just green frosting makes them perfect. And what goes best with witch cupcakes than witch's brooms? These are little peanut butter cups that you turn upside down, unwrap them, turn them upside down, add a little tiny bit of frosting or gel like frosting, icing, whatever you have. Press a little pretzel rod into each one of those peanut butter cups, and you have a cute little witch broom. And then, of course, you need witch cauldron cupcakes. So these are just your favorite cupcake recipe. You can use chocolate, vanilla, whatever you like, green frosting, some green gel, eyes, and cute little Halloween sprinkles. It turns these into fun witch cauldron cupcakes. It's like the witches are cooking up something yummy in their witch cauldrons. These are so fun.
All these are so fun, and you can see how simple they are. The kids will have so much fun making and eating these. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know which one you're gonna make first, and keep watching for even more Halloween recipes.